DevOps Leader certification, is it really worth all this effort and putting yourself through the exam? Well, of course it is. The certification itself is important. We talk about on the course about how important it is to measure things. Measuring your success is one of the things you'll do. But what does it actually give you? Well, it'll give you some clues about what you can do, about what is possible. It'll show you what other people have done. It'll help you understand the potential and the possible. It'll help you have that common ground to discuss things. You go to conferences and you talk about where you are and where other people are. You have that common terminology that comes from having attended the same courses and passed the same exams, and that helps a lot. And the other thing that doing the DevOps Leader course and passing the exam will help you do is get an understanding of the scale of the thing you're trying to do here. This is not some little exercise in a tiny part of an organization. It is about changing the way your enterprise works. And looking at the examples and the case studies of people who've done this and the implications of it is immensely valuable. It puts you grounded, it puts you in perspective. To some extent, it may make you look slightly intimidated about the amount of work involved, but then it reassures you by showing you how people have done it and have achieved it. And it sends you away believing this is possible.